Good stuff. Look at the yellow on him. The yellow and greeny tinges. Blue. Great stuff, man. Going again. Got the same livery. Good stuff, mate. He's like a mirror image of the last one. Good stuff. Got it. Livery. Leather jacket balls. It's good to see there's some nice sized liveries, eh? Look at him. He's spitting at me. Right back to where they came from. Got it. Livery. Nice livery. Cheers, mate. Have a good one. Leather jacket mania. Yeah. Pretty sure it is. He's huge, eh? Great stuff, eh? Look at the blue on the top of his spine. Awesome. Got it. Little buddy. Well, it's the right species, but not quite the size. He's a tiny one, look at him. Look at this massive flatty. Bay flag. Got him. Put him. Boom, shakalaka. You're not a flathead. Let's put him back now. We're actually in a shark sanctuary right now, but these aren't really good eating sharks anyway. But yeah, regardless of that, we're in a shark sanctuary. So we're gonna let this little fella go. They got such cool patterns, don't they? A little leathery. Gonna release him over here where the wind's not so loud. Nice stuff, man. Got it. Got some shakes, this one does. Oh, come off. There you go. Another leather jacket. Nice, I'll just let go of the hook, mate, and you'll be free. You, my friend, were an absolute nightmare to get off the hook. Got it. Nice one here. Levery. Big one. Huge levery. Wow, look at the colours on him. Don't snap, don't snap, don't snap, don't snap. Yeah! Yeah, that's the prettiest one I've ever caught. It's about 32, yeah, about 32. What do you got on, man? Do you know? He's got a levery. Little itty bitty levery. Well done, mate. Good stuff, mate. Well done. Good job.